Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the maintenance light on your Lexus GX460. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is running. Then, find the odometer or trip button, usually located near the steering wheel. Press this button repeatedly until your multi-information display shows trip clearly. This is a crucial first step for the reset process. Now, with your vehicle's engine turned off, it's time for the next important action. You'll need to press and hold the odometer or trip button. Make sure you keep it pressed down continuously. This button is essential for initiating the reset sequence, so maintain a firm grip on it as we move to the next stage of the process. While still holding the odometer button, push your vehicle's ignition button 2 times. Remember, do not press the brake pedal during this action. You should see a message like Resetting Maintenance Data appear on your display. Continue holding the button until this message confirms the reset is complete, which typically takes about 10 seconds. Once the reset process is complete and confirmed on your display, you can release the odometer or trip button. Then, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Finally, restart your Lexus GX460 to verify that the maintenance-required light has successfully turned off. This confirms your maintenance reminder has been reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.